Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall!
Wagwan my people, Dancehall Skilla there again with information to give to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, I got information that Jamaican musician or dancehall artist who goes by the name of Capleton was involved in a motor vehicle accident that happened in the parish that is known as St. Thomas, that's within the country of Jamaica, on the 9th of August, the year 2022. According to information that I got, it is said that the incident happened in the morning on the 9th of August, the year 2022, sometime before or after 5 a.m. It is said that a motor vehicle that Capleton was traveling in overturned the viewers and subscribers. Now, I did some research to see if I can get some good information about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers, and I'm not going to pretend as if I'm this Mr. Know-it-all. You understand? According to at least one news article that I read, I got the understanding that Capleton's manager confirmed the incident. It is said that Capleton's manager also said that Capleton is at home resting or recuperating. It is said that Capleton suffered minor injuries from the incident. Now, some places on social media, information about this whole situation where it is said that Capleton was involved in a motor vehicle accident are somewhat different from information that I got from news articles about this whole situation. Yeah, the information them not sound exactly the same. Although when it comes to social media, you have to be careful when it comes down to certain information. You see what I'm saying to you? Anyways, Capleton is well known for quite a number of songs that he had done over the years. And I'm talking about hit songs like In Her Heart, Real Rasta Man She Want In Her Heart, and so on. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so I also got the understanding that there's a picture circulating on social media that shows a motor vehicle overturned. Now, the picture circulating on social media claiming to show a motor vehicle that Capleton was traveling in. Now, I did some research based on allegations about that picture that is circulating on social media. And someone also brought the picture to my attention, viewers and subscribers. And I'm just giving the information according to where I got information. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I hope that Capleton get well soon. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.